Welcome to my lab, where we scan rocks. Alright. Our setup here, we have our cool scanning tool, my shiny table, and the rocks we want to scan. The whole point of doing this is to try and get three-dimensional models of all of our products, or as many as possible of our products, to give you guys more information on what they are, how big they are and stuff. The end goal is this really cool VR app where you just like scan your pool and you can drop in the waterfall and see it running and see if it'll work for you and just go through all of them. That's the end goal. Hopefully we can migrate that to like aquariums and reptile stuff and who knows what else, caves. But this is the beginning stages, trying to get it efficient. Let's see if we can get a scan going. So here we have the rock on the computer from here. So if I take this and if it does what I want it to, okay, here we go. So I can take the gun and create a 3D image of the subject, whatever it happens to be. It doesn't like shiny things or hair, so don't scan somebody's head. But it's pretty cool to be able to just come through here and scan whatever. It does have some limitations, obviously, that we have to work around, but I think it's pretty neat. So to be able to get some waterfalls in here, like really, really big stuff, would obviously take a lot longer and whatever, but so once I'm finished scanning, you can come over here and turn this around. You have it all in 3D. If I wanted to, I could scan the inside of it too, and then you would have like the complete sort of inside and outside. It's a bit harder to do that, but could be useful for some people. So to really help the process along, we take these scanning dots, which are a little bit of a struggle to stick to the surface. They like to fall off. But that helps the scanner locate where it's at better, and it will lose its position less. So any trouble areas, you can like load them up in there, and it generally helps a lot more. But it is time consuming and quite boring. What happened?
I need to take it off.
Why?
Yes, the brake circuit inside. When you pull, turn it off, the brake.
The one I buy.
Yeah.
Really?
Also, I turn it off, put the lights for do the test. Turn it on the GFA.
So is this?
Put it again. No. It's problem.
Really? It's too much?
Before, I never think the lamp is problem. No, it's good. The other one I put in the trash.
Start going, it should start to populate almost immediately. Made a liar out of me again. Right? So if we start scanning, bam! Second ultrasound. Here's my rock baby. Isn't she cute? But it does take a bit of time getting used to the scanner. To be able to replicate stuff that quickly, that blows my mind. But yeah, early days still, but we'll see in a few weeks hopefully, but maybe a couple months where this takes us and how much further we're going to get.